In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Docs for managing technical documentation and enhancing team collaboration. Whether you're working on code documentation, organizing project specs, detailing API information, or maintaining meeting notes, Google Docs can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of it. First, let's talk about organizing your technical content. Google Docs offers a robust platform for writing and structuring your documents. One of the most effective ways to keep track of your information is by using headings and the outline view. You can find this feature by clicking on View and then selecting Show Document Outline. This will help you organize lengthy documents into manageable sections, providing a structured overview of all your documentation. It makes navigating through large amounts of information much easier, ensuring you or your team can find what they need quickly. Next, we'll cover how to insert code snippets, an essential part of technical documentation. Google Docs doesn't support syntax highlighting out of the box, but don't worry, there are ways around this. One method is using the Insert menu to access drawing, where you can click on plus new and paste your code into a text box. From there, you have the option to format the text manually. While this may take a little time, it allows you to customize the appearance to your liking. For a more streamlined approach, consider using third-party tools like the CodeBlocks add-on. This tool allows you to insert syntax-highlighted code directly into your document. It's a handy solution for programming professionals who need their code to stand out clearly for readers, ensuring accuracy without sacrificing readability. Now let's look at collaboration, which is crucial for any team project. With Google Docs, it's incredibly simple to share your documents with team members so you can work on projects simultaneously. The platform's commenting and suggestion features allow real-time feedback, which is invaluable during collaborative sessions. You can also switch to suggesting mode, which is perfect for giving and receiving feedback during code reviews. This mode allows proposed changes to be viewed and accepted or rejected, providing a clear and trackable feedback loop for your documents. So to sum up, using Google Docs for technical documentation integrates simplicity with robust organizational abilities, even enabling you to sidestep its limitations through third-party tools. And its collaboration features mean your team can work together seamlessly, regardless of location. By adopting these tips and techniques, you'll be able to leverage Google Docs to its full potential, keeping your projects organized, clear, and collaborative. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel empowered to implement these strategies in your own technical